Welcome back to the official ZAP Hosting YouTube channel. My name is Liam, and today I'll be going through and showcasing our dedicated server interface and what you can expect if you've got one from us. So let's get started. If you're looking to get a dedicated server, look no more. We have a 5% discount code just for you, so make sure to use dedicated minus dashboard at checkout. Now let's take a look at your server dashboard. On the dashboard page, you can start and stop your server, monitor its status, manage HP remote panel access, check IP and hardware details, and view real-time stats like temperature, fan speed, and traffic. On the event log page, you can check who started, stopped, restarted, or reinstalled the server. And if it crashes, this is where you'll find the log of the unexpected shutdown. On the statistics page, you'll see detailed usage over time, including data transfer, system temperature, and fan speed, all in easy-to-read graphs. The hardware overview page gives you a full look at your system, firmware versions, CPU and RAM specs, RAID setup, network interface, and disk info, all pulled directly from your HP remote panel. The installation page walks you through the initial server setup. You'll activate HP remote panel, choose and insert an ISO, and start installing your operating system with full screen access. On the settings page, you can switch between power saving and high performance modes to fit your server needs. The DDoS Manager page shows your protection status, attack history, and live traffic analysis powered by Pledex, which automatically filters threats while keeping legit connections like SSH and game servers online. On the Games and TeamSpeak server page, you can easily set up multiple host servers, install any game from our library or a TeamSpeak 3 server, and manage them as completely separate instances. The reverse DNS page lets you set your IP to point to a hostname, which helps with email deliverability and proper server identification. On the IP addresses page, you'll find a list of all your server's IPs, including which ones are reachable and which aren't. It's perfect for checking connectivity or configuring IPs via SSH or RDP. On the traffic reset page, you can reset your monthly 5 terabyte limit for a fee if you reach it before the month ends. And finally, the HP Remote Panel Management page. This gives you full remote access to your server's screen, lets you mount ISOs, and even configure boot order, ideal for installing or recovering an OS when the system isn't responsive. And that's it for today. If you have any questions, you can contact our support by creating a ticket on our website or live chat, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Now, have a lovely rest of the week, and enjoy using your ZAP server.